The Jeep Gladiator is one of the most iconic names in Jeep history, a rugged pickup truck that became a symbol of durability and reliability. Born from the same era as the legendary Wagoneer, the Gladiator first rolled out in 1963, serving as Jeep's answer to the growing demand for versatile trucks that could work hard yet carry the same adventurous spirit the brand was known for. The model stayed in production for more than 25 years and is remembered as one of Jeep's longest-lasting platforms. Today, enthusiasts and collectors still revere the original Gladiator, and one particular example from 1969 is now seeking a new home. This 1969 Jeep J-3000 is not just any classic pickup truck. It's a Kaiser-era Gladiator that perfectly represents a pivotal moment in Jeep's corporate history. In 1963, the pickup was launched under Willys, but by that same year, it was marketed as a Kaiser-Jeep product. 7 years later, Kaiser sold its automotive division to AMC, which carried on production until Chrysler eventually acquired the company in 1987. That long lineage is part of what makes Kaiser-era trucks like this J-3000 so special. The truck up for auction comes with a unique pedigree. It spent recent years at the Claremont Collection's Automotive Museum in Chicago, Illinois, where it was proudly displayed in the Jeep Room alongside legendary rigs like the CJ, MB, Jeepster, and Wagoneer. Now, with the entire Jeep Room collection going under the hammer between September 19 and 21, this J-3000 is expected to catch the eye of collectors looking for a true slice of Jeep history. According to the listing, the pickup underwent a frame-on restoration before joining the museum. It was refinished in its original light yellow paint and had its drivetrain refreshed. Under the hood sits the numbers-matching 350 cubic-inch Dauntless V8, a Buick-built engine used in Jeep vehicles between 1968 and 1971. This engine is paired with a 3-speed Borg-Warner manual transmission, a Dana 20 2-speed transfer case, and 4-wheel drive. The original buyer even ticked the box for the optional power lock differential, a feature that gave the truck added traction in tough conditions. Cosmetically, the Gladiator looks solid. The paint has held up well and the overall presentation is clean, but there are minor imperfections, like a bit of surface rust behind the bench seat. The V8 engine also shows signs of weathering from years in storage. More importantly, this truck hasn't been driven in quite some time, meaning it will require some mechanical attention before it hits the road again. Mecum Auctions advises a full inspection of the brakes, battery, carburetors, and fuel system before attempting to fire it up. The good news for potential buyers is that this J-3000 will be offered at no reserve, ensuring it will sell to the highest bidder. Current market data suggests restored or resto-modded Gladiators average around $28,000, while more original, unmodified examples like this one typically range from $11,000 to $26,000. That makes this truck an appealing opportunity for anyone who wants to own a piece of Jeep history without breaking the bank. With its Kaiser heritage, rugged looks, and Buick-sourced V8, this 1969 Jeep J-3000 is more than just a classic truck. It's a living reminder of Jeep's evolution through some of its most transformative decades. For collectors and Jeep fans alike, this auction is a chance to bring home a Gladiator that helped shape Jeep's legacy.